name's Paul Murphy and I have a passion for hats. Today I'm going to talk about this new one that I've just made. It's a Fedora 170 gram felt, 5% beaver, 95% rabbit, a very nice weight. It's considered more of a heavy weight dress hat felt. It's got a nice bronze trim on the crown and a brown, darker brown on the brim. The size of this one is my size, because the crown is a nice teardrop shape with a slight pinch in here with two indentations on the side. Now every one of our hats are made by myself, and they all come in a box similar to this, and along with that there's one of my cards plus information about how to look after and get the best out of your hat. A little thank you note from me with all the other bits and pieces that we do. So this one is 11.5 centimeters at the front. I believe it's about 7.5 centimeters on the brim, and it's a beautiful hat now for sale on my website.